Hey guys!
Ah!
Don't freak out, don't freak out. Do you know who I am?
No, not really.
I'm the king of carnivals, and that's why I'm stopping you. Because I wanted to tell you that on February 17 we will celebrate the carnival.
Oh.
The best party in the world. In which party I will be the king and the protagonist. If you want to know more information about this party, go up this page and you will reach the 4 columns. Go with me, come.
Where is the 4 columns?
Up, go up.
Okay.
Do you see someone around here?
Not at all.
What are you doing here?
The Carnival King has told us to come here to find out more information about La Rua de Liebe.
Ah, so that's the reason. Okay, so he's gonna get the place, the La Rua, where everyone is gonna be dressed up on different spots. After that, we will come and we're gonna dance together.
There will be any hours?
I don't really know about that, but my grandfather lived by there, so you can go and ask him.
May we go? Hey, maybe he's the grandfather.
Look that grass.
Do not step on my grass.
Sorry.
We're here to ask about the hours.
The hours?
Yeah, your grandson told us to come over here.
Okay. But the hours aren't very important on this day. It's the experience and the leisure values. Despite this, there's gonna be some hours. One to the best choreo, another one about the best costume. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Well, bye-bye, guys.
I want to touch again the grass.